Prakriti vlog, and I am Kritika. Hope you all are doing good. Currently, I am at my native in Mangalore, and in this beautiful monsoon, I am going out with my childhood friends to explore the hidden gems in the nature of Adyar, that is Adyar Falls. Whenever we go to falls, we prefer walking through the tracks and enjoy the beauty of the nature. This is one of the easiest and convenient way for us. We cannot directly reach the waterfall by vehicle. If we are coming by our vehicle, then need to park our vehicle on the other side of the track and walk for a distance to reach the waterfall. We can even come by walking from Valachil viewpoint to Adyar Falls. When you come through tracks, the falls is actually not visible. It is hidden inside. There is no signboard as well. You can just listen the water sound and see the footpath and walk on the route to reach the falls. Now we are at Adyar Falls. Best time to visit this falls from June to October. Hope you all subscribe to our channel. If not, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Since it was a weekday, there was nobody in the falls. We all had enjoyed a lot. Now we left from falls and on the way back to our home. This is all about our today's vlog. Hope you all liked our today's vlog. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification of all our upcoming video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next vlog. Until then, bye. Stay tuned.